This is a national emergency. All normal programming has been suspended from the Callahan-Madison government. This is not a test.
The Callahan-Madison Geological Survey, in conjunction with NASA and scientific institutions, has been determined that the Moon has been knocked from its orbit, and it's now hurtling towards Earth on collision course. The Moon will impact Earth within the next 48 hours. All residents within the Callahan-Madison should seek shelter or a basement for safety. And do not leave the shelter. The Moon debris was transforming into asteroids and causing damage to our planet. It will hit major urban centers. God bless Callahan, and you are the best.